Literally our first stop. 5 minutes from the airport.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get a hold of you all night.
Makes you happy.
So good. So good.
Talking again, yo, turn up the radio. I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? Oh, how's it, mom? The road just.
So this is called spread, huh?
What is that?
This sauce, right?
We're here. I actually wanted to show you guys around. Okay, around this hotel resort we're staying. So you enter, and there's actually 2 doors here. There's like unit A and unit B. This one has like the living room. You know, this is just a whole living room with the TV and a fireplace and a balcony. The balcony looks really nice. It's raining. What a crappy day. But it's okay. It's supposed to be a little sunnier in a couple days. Whatever. I'm still happy. Yeah, so we have the living room here. Just how it looks. It's very, very spacious. I seriously love it. So there's a kitchen here with a refrigerator, stove, you know, kitchen stuff. And then this is the first bedroom. This is a bathroom. And this is the bedroom. This one is pretty nice too. Like this is unit B and it has its own little kitchen too. So nice, right?
Super cute.
Yeah, and then here's the bathroom. This is like copper looking sink with a nice bathtub. This is plenty for me. Hi,
hello.
giving a room tour. Bedroom. So cozy. It's so cozy. Yeah, I'm turning everything on. So we just came back from the casino.
But we went there to eat, okay?
We went to get some oysters and we ate some like seafood soup thing. We drank a little bit and we went to the casino. Yeah, we went to the casino and just kind of, you know, played a little bit, which was really fun. I came back with nothing. Tom was positive, right?
Yeah,
Yeah, him and our friend they made money, but I didn't. But whatever. I was doing good and I lost all of it. Whatever. But we
greed, madam, greed.
Yeah, but we had a budget, so we don't, you know, go overboard. Whatever. So it was fun. I don't care. Like I don't mind like losing because I go there thinking that.
And it's not like our budget's like over 100 or like.
Yeah, my
really
budget
tiny.
was pretty low.
Really low.
Anyways, it was really fun. It's 8 o'clock right now, but I think we're gonna.
It's like 10 in Chicago.
Where we are from. But either way, we're gonna try to sleep early because we want to wake up early tomorrow. Drive an hour to Squaw Valley Ski Resort, and then ski all day. Come home and probably relax again.
라떼. 좀 들어. Uh-oh.
Me. Look at me. Look, there's gonna be a little bit of sun. I'm waiting for that to.
Oh, rainbow! Oh, rainbow!
Where? This is a rainbow! It's gonna come out. It's gonna come out. My eyebrow is gone. Going to San Francisco because we couldn't snowboard.
That's the Golden Gate, and then that's the new suspension. So the one over there, that's Golden Gate.
Oh, good thing it's not raining here. We're in San Francisco. It's kind of humid here. Oh, they're fighting. Yeah. These are magnets. Oh my gosh.
Definitely KEEMI.
Oh my god, can I get one?
This is so KEEMI.
It's 16. We're on our way to get some food before our real food.
Right there! Before real
Yeah,
food.
we have
right now.
we're eating sushi at 5:30, but we're getting some like chowder and fish and chips. Getting some food.
What?
Here. Oh. Where does this go?
It's like a brain.
Dang.
Oh my god. Heaven.
I'm sure they'll eat it, right?
That is very cute.
I don't know. What's like the most popular one?
That one.
Huh?
That one.
This one?
That one. No, not that one. That
This
one.
one? This
No,
one?
the other one. The one I'm looking at. There's no wrong answer.
Okay.
Particular computers that don't run on the best system. I'm not saying it's hardest. I'm just saying it's weird. You guys enjoy your day.
Thank you.
Wait, hold on here.
It's amazing.
Oh my my god, this is so pretty. Look at the brave girl. She's so brave. Oh my god. Wow, I really don't think the camera does the justice of how beautiful this place is.
Are you okay? Yeah, I'm fine. Been trying to get over you all night. We haven't talked in months,
Right now.
but that's alright. Was wondering if you wanted to go for a drive. I just need some fresh air and an old friend. I'm so glad that we started talking again. Yo, turn up the radio, I love this song. Remember when we used to stay up all night long? How's it been going? No clouds and long. The roads are so empty, this is so damn calm. If we stick on the highway, we can drive all night long. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze.
Okay. 여기 왔다?
Are we going again? Just you and I on another one of our famous midnight drives. Do you need to rant or just stay silent? Either or, you know I'm compliant. Take a left up ahead, we're going towards the horizon. Don't stop going till we see the sun rising. You know this is who we are, this is what we do. Driving in circles till we find something new. The only person I enjoy sitting in the car with is you. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. We can drive around to the sky and see meet. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. I got my hands out the window, feeling the ocean breeze. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, staring out the window, looking at the summer view. Fine by you, I'll be next to you. If it's fine by you, I'll be beside you, speeding down the highway with the wind blowing through. Everything around us feeling minuscule. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat. If it's fine by you, I'll take the passenger seat.
Careful.
We did our first run together.
Hello. Imagine if it was the weekdays that were clear.
Yeah, I mean it was still pretty, you know, clear. So we are kind of at a half point with this little shop around us. It's literally the most beautiful thing that I've ever witnessed. It's so pretty, like, oh my gosh, I would love to have this in my backyard. It's snowboard, but it's really beautiful. I don't even know if it's beautiful or not.
I'm gonna go tune my board. Do you want to sit here?
Where? Oh yeah. Morning, guys. Today is actually the last day in Tahoe. I definitely skipped like 2 days of vlogging, but we were just like after snowboarding, well, my camera died. So after snowboarding, I stopped vlogging, but rest of the day we had like good dinner. We went to casino, hung out, came back to the resort. We were just talking, catching up on a lot of things together. And the next day, you know, obviously we slept in. We wanted to rest from all the snowboarding and falling and just being tired. Our legs were hurting a lot. And then, you know, we just like went to the town, drank, went to the bars, got some souvenirs, just hung out. It's a very chill day. But today, today is the day after that, and we are actually taking the midnight flight back to Chicago. So we have all day. We have all day to snowboard actually, and then we're heading back to oh my god, like sitting here is really hard. We're heading back to Reno. That's where the airport is. We're going there, which takes about an hour. But it's supposed to snow, and if you guys never been to Lake Tahoe, coming from the airport to here is somewhat like it's not the safest route. It's just it's Lake Tahoe in general is like mountains, so wherever you want to go, it's just not the safest route. It's like you have to go through mountains, and it's not that safe. So we wanted to leave before it gets dark, or before it snows too much. So yeah, but we have plenty of time to have like a half day snowboarding. It looks like it's not raining. Well, it's like Lake Tahoe never really rains. So when we first came, it was just like really bad luck. But it's been sunny, it's been snowing, so we're gonna head back to the mountain that we haven't checked out yet, and then we're gonna head back, get some in and out hopefully again. And then just kind of rest of the day until we get on the flight. It's only about 4.5 an hour flight to Chicago. We're gonna arrive around 5 o'clock. I'm excited to be back in Chicago. It should be a little warmer than here. It's home, a little homesick, not much, but a little bit getting there. So we packed up almost everything the office is on. And there's a little man sleeping. He's probably really tired. He's really sunburned. Here, I'll show you guys. Show your sunburn.
Uh,
Does it hurt?
that stings a little bit.
See, he's like really sunburned. Can't wait to go back. I go back on my. Yeah, right? I don't know, like it was definitely I don't think I could do more than like 5 days. Like 5 days is my limit. Usually 3 days are good. But it definitely was relaxing. And I'm not complaining, it was a very relaxing trip. So it was a good rest. No, we didn't I think this is one of those trips where like we didn't have to do something every single day. Like we didn't have to go tour, look something, like go find something to do or look at this tourist area every day. It wasn't like that. It was just very relaxing. We just did what we had to do. So it was definitely a really good fun trip. We're gonna head to the resort, probably have like a last drink and lunch in the mountain, on the top of the mountains, I don't know, and then we're gonna head back to Reno. And then eat in and out, and that's it. And we'll figure out what we're gonna choose for the rest of the day.